Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to be giving you these two amazing hacks, beauty hacks that are going to help you look good. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how you're going to be doing natural mascara. Yeah, so with two ingredients. So my first ingredient, I have cocoa. Yeah, I'm going to be using coke, as you can see. So I'm going to be using coke, and I'm going to be using Vaseline jelly with the Brussels cocoa butter. Okay, so I'll use this kind of amount. So after that I have to start mixing it. So now after mixing it well, you can see now how it looks like. So you can go direct to your eyelashes, then you start applying like this. As you can see, this is a super natural mascara. If at all you don't have a mascara and you would like to have nice looking mascaras, you can use this on your mascaras, and trust me, it can look good when you apply them, because they're going to be looking shining and also looking glowing, as you can see. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.